Yo, what is up, everyone? I'm back, and we're gonna be opening 640 Halloween capsules. Yes, this is a goddamn pain, because I just bought both fucking bundles. So I either get something good out of this, next video will be rerolls, but I hope I get something good out of this. If not, I'm gonna go cry in my bed tonight. So, let's get this started. I am in a VC with my friends. I hope they behave. If not, I'm gonna bleep out some stuff. But yeah, this is my audience. Let me just get the Discord. Alright. I got my audience here. We all ready? We all ready? Alright, bro. Y'all are recorded. Y'all are being recorded right now, so anything you say is held against y'all. Alright? See, alright. 3, 2, 1. Let's start this fucking reroll. Oh I just did one. Oh my god, hold up. I just did a one pull. Yeah, I just gotta do 9 regular ones now. Hold up.
Yeah, this is gonna be
longer for content, you know?
Yeah, guys, longer for content. You got your first unit. Gas. Oh my god.
That's my first unit is heat on me, bro. It's fine.
No, it's gas.
I just got gas again. Alright, we got, this is almost pity. Alright, we hit pity.
We just got another gas. That makes 4 gas. That's 4 gas. That's crazy. Bro, 4 gas.
Last 10. You can deafen me now. Alright guys, so as you can see, I clearly got nothing out of that. I got 4 gases. Like, the pain in my eyes, as you can see. Um, even though he was such a cool character in One Piece, bro, this is making me pain. We got 2 Meliodas skins, we got a gut skin, and then we got a bunch of these skins, bro. Yeah, hit me up in the fucking comment section, bro, if y'all want a skin, bro. But this is gonna include the 600. Actually, I think it was 700 capsules of this video. So I hope y'all had fun watching me in pain. I hope y'all look forward to the next video of the rerolls, where I reroll on Sid and some other units. Goodbye, guys.